I had a craving for a tuna noodle dish, so I decided to upgrade boxed mac and cheese to just that. I boiled the macaroni according to package directions for 8 minutes. While that was happening, I went ahead and added my frozen peas to a bowl of warm water to bring to room temp, and I drained my tuna well. While the pasta drained in the sink, I added a half a can of cream of mushroom soup to the pan, along with the cheese packet. I stirred that all together so it would kind of distribute evenly when I add the pasta. I added the cooked pasta back to the pan and began stirring to incorporate. The mixture was a bit stiff, so I added a little bit of milk, probably a little less than 1/4 cup. And then you'll see I again add a bit more just to loosen things up. So I probably ended up with about 1/4 cup of milk in here as well. Once the consistency was right, I added my peas, my drained tuna, along with some salt and pepper. I also made a crunchy topping with some crushed Ritz and melted butter. When the craving hits, we make it happen.